my friends, welcome to Pistacchio graphic channel. Today we have this new design. This is a 5-star to use the command Loft. Remember, you can download in the first link of the description my ebook with all these drawings. You can follow step by step. Let's go to start our design. You can choose the plane. Make here a polygon, in this case 5 sides. Make this horizontal, make some lines here, here and here. Okay, now we have our 5-star. With the X key, create a plane, make a distance here, it's okay. In this plane we create a point. Select the point here, finish the sketch, select the loft point, and that's okay. Now we have our 5-star. We can make this as a 6-point, create a new sketch. Make this a polygon. That's okay. Make this horizontal and start connect the points. Here, 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 here. That's okay. Make this a constraint. The same step, make this a construction point. Okay. In this new plane, create a point here and here. Make the loft to this point, make this a 5-star point. You can do another design, make this operation a cut, removing the material. Make a box here in this phase. Enough. Create a sketch in the top face. Create our polygon, this time with 7. Create our lines. That's okay. Remember to make this as a construction. the same step, but now we make this as inside the party. In this point, you can see now that we have the point inside in our party. Select the Loft Command. Okay. In this case, the operation is cut, not join. Change to cut and remove the part inside the main body. Thank you so much for watching this video and follow the channel for more designs. Remember, you can download this ebook in the link in the description. And comment here below if you want to see more design. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.